Silence. It's weird, isn't it? Uncomfortable, maybe even unsettling. But here's the kicker. It's more powerful than any words you could ever say. As humans, we crave social interaction. We long for acceptance. And what's the primary way we do that? Communication. But here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes the most effective way to communicate is to say nothing at all. Silence is a tool, a weapon, a secret technique that can make people anxious, guilty, defensive, or even desperate. Ever had a girlfriend or boyfriend ignore your calls after a fight? It works. Not healthy, but undeniably effective. Silence is power. If you want more information from someone, stay silent. Research shows that 85% of people feel the need to fill the awkward void by continuing to talk. They'll spill more than they intended. And what about control? The silent treatment. It's one of the oldest tricks in the book. When you ignore someone, you're not just withholding words, you're making them feel invisible, unimportant. It's brutal, but it works. Want to be taken more seriously? Speak less. Research shows that people place more value on the words of those who talk less. The more you say, the more likely you are to dilute your impact. And speaking of impact, watch a skilled public speaker. Notice how they use pauses. Silence creates suspense, commands attention, and makes their words hit harder. It's not just what they say, it's how they let their silence do the talking. So what's the moral here? Silence is golden, but it's also a tool of influence. Those who master it, those who know when to speak and when to stay silent, will always have the upper hand.